Yes, yes.
Okay. So once again, a warm welcome to the valedictory function. Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Deepak Vaikar, respected Principal Ma'am Dr. S.V. Sant, Vice Principal Doshi Sir, all the invitees, delegates, colleagues, and students. In the valedictory section, we have as chief guest a dynamic personality, Dr. Deepak Vaikar, managing partner of Edu Energy Singapore. And to do the honors of introducing the chief guest, I call upon our principal, Sant ma'am. Ma'am, over to you.
Yes, a very good morning and a warm welcome to all of you to this valedictory session of the two-day international conference on the theme COVID-19 Future Roadmap. Chief guest of valedictory function, Dr. Deepak Vaikar. All invitees, Dr. Khajuria, Dr. Kallurkar, principals of other college, all eminent personalities, delegates, my colleagues, and dear students. Over last 2 days, we have had a deep insight into several facets of the theme COVID-19 Future Roadmap in the different countries. In the technical sessions, we focus on digital technology in post-COVID, pandemic and human rights. A very lively and thought-provoking session on education in post-COVID era in Poland and USA. And just now, we discuss the impact of pandemic on industrial sector and particularly the role of pharmacists in pandemic situation. We had Dr. Krishna Vedula, Dean Emeritus, University of Massachusetts, Lowell, US, Founder, Executive Director, Indo-Universal Collaboration for Engineering Education, and Dr. Rajesh Khajuria, Commissioner, ACBSP US, Professor Emeritus, FPT University, Vietnam, for inaugural function. Principal Dr. Kallurkar from India, Madam Evangelia from Greece, Dr. Polkowicz from Poland, Dr. Christopher and Dr. Amy Watt from US, Dr. Erickson from US, and Dr. Amrutkar from India in technical sessions who shared their views, thoughts, and discussed all pertinent issues related to the theme of the conference. From deliberations, I observed that optimists see opportunities in every calamity, and the pessimists see calamity in every opportunity. In this conference, in all, 6 technical sessions were conducted successfully, and 2 volumes, that is journals, 2 volumes of journals and proceeding are published in this conference. Now coming to the valedictory function, we have with us Dr. Deepak Vaikar, Managing Partner, Edu Energy, Singapore, as chief guest for this function. Dr. Vaikar did his PhD from Singapore, MS from Canada, MTech from India, then PD certificate in university teaching from Australia. He obtained PGDBM and BE degrees from India. Dr. Vaikar has been involved in education, training, research, management fields for more than 3 decades. He has authored, co-authored books, research articles, policy papers on power, energy, management, sustainable development, leadership, and education related topics. He has served various committees in professional bodies like Chair of the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, Power and Energy Society, Chapter Singapore. He has delivered talks, keynote addresses all across the globe. Dr. Vaikar has conducted several student, faculty and management development programs on various topics. He has been associated with the premier institutions like polytechnic colleges and academies in India and Singapore, as well as with British and Australian universities offering courses in Singapore. He is a recipient of various awards like IEEE-PES Outstanding Engineers Award, SP Green Buddy Award. He has been a member of Global Industry and Academia, Advisory Forum of Indo-Universal Center for Engineering Education in USA on behalf of the college. And on my personal behalf, I heartily welcome you, sir, in this function. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Khajuria, Dr. Kallurkar, all principals of other colleges, delegates, invitees, and my dear students. Before concluding my introductory talk, I would like to put on the record the wholehearted efforts put in by Vice Principal and Coordinator of the conference, C.A. Rajesh Doshi, Convener Dr. Sandeep Karande, Co-Convener Dr. Sushila Yadav, Technical Team, Professor Rupal, Professor Vinaya, Professor Forum, Professor Praveen, Professor Zarkoli, and all coordinators and co-coordinators and rapporteurs, and organization team members, my colleagues, and all delegates in making this conference a grand success. Once again, I welcome you all for this valedictory function. Thank you very much. Hello.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for the kind, encouraging words and for the brief summing up of our webinar, the 2 days webinar. In fact, since yesterday, as ma'am mentioned, we have had a number of sessions, experts from across the globe sharing their knowledge and experience, presenting their views on future developments in the new normal. The valedictory session is a time to ponder on what we have achieved in these last 2 days. Professor Smriti Salunke will now read the report of the conference, highlighting the main points of the speakers of the various sessions. Smriti ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to respected principal, faculty members, esteemed guest of honor. I feel privileged to read out the report of 2-day international web conference. A 2-day international web conference have been organized by Gokhale Education Society, Prabhavsaheb Vartak College, Borivali on 21st and 22nd May 2021. The theme of the webinar is COVID-19 Future Roadmap. The webinar is streamed simultaneously on Zoom as well as on YouTube. The conference began with the Gokhale Education Society song. The inaugural session began with the welcome speech of our principal madam, Dr. Mrs. S.V. Sant, followed by the introduction of the chief guest, Dr. Krishna Vedula, and the guest of honor, Dr. Rajesh Khajuria. In the inaugural address of Dr. Krishna Vedula, he focused on problem solving as an objective of education. According to him, education should be multidisciplinary and generate problem solver, creative thinker, and a future leader. He also pointed out the negative impact of the pandemic is in the digital platform, well, making online education a challenge in rural areas, especially in the countries like India. The virtual release of the proceedings of the conference was done by Dr. Krishna Vedula and Dr. Rajesh Khajuria, sir. Professor Dr. S.B. Karande, the convener of the conference, extended the vote of thanks and expressed his gratitude to one and all for gracing the occasion. Soon after the inaugural session, the first technical session on the pandemic and digital technology began. It was chaired by Dr. S. Kalulkar, Principal of Atharva College of Engineering, Mumbai. He pointed out that every generation has to face some crisis, but ultimately human race triumphs over all these adversities. He rightly mentioned that technological advancement will become part of the post-pandemic world. However, in this session, two papers were presented. The first paper of the session was presented by Dr. M. Deepa from Tamil Nadu. The title of her paper was Student Perception Towards Online Education During Pandemic with special reference to Polchi Taluka in Tamil Nadu. The second paper of the session was presented by Ms. Chetna Suri from Jammu and Kashmir. The name of the paper, the title of the paper was the COVID-19 Pandemic and Needs of Digitalization in Education. The second technical session on pandemic and human rights was chaired by Mrs. Evangela Vasilkavo, the academic English tutor from Greece. She highlighted the various issues that have appeared during ongoing pandemic. She stressed on how the government of various countries can keep the people informed about the issues concerning their health. She stressed on the prevention and care to be taken during pandemic and also spoke on the need to minimize the divide that has been created during the recent pandemic. In this session, a paper was presented by Professor Aniket Salvi, the professor of Gokhale College, Borivali. The name of the paper was COVID-19 State Surveillance and Human Rights, wherein he cited example of various countries to put forth the current human rights issues during pandemic. The third technical session was on the pandemic and service sector, which was chaired by Dr. Rajesh Khajuria, sir, the founder director of CKSVIM Business School. He stated the three important values of Bhagavad Gita, which are Gyan, Karma, and Bhakti. He further emphasized on the universal principle which contained in the Bhagavad Gita, which can very well be applied to corporate aura by keeping an open mind and expanding the circle of excellence. The keynote resource speaker of the session were Dr. Zdzislaw Polkowski, the professor of UJW from Poland. Dr. Polkowski, in his speech, talked about the challenges faced by the lecturers for teaching online during the pandemic situation. However, the lack of awareness and the lack of knowledge was a big hurdle, which the students as well as the lecturers had come across on the remote platform. He further talked about the survival of SMEs during the existence of e-commerce in era of coronavirus. However, in this session, paper was presented by Professor Guruprendra Kumar from Allahabad. The name of the paper was the Mahamari Mein Pravasi Mahila Ka Jivan. This paper dealt with the effect of pandemic on the migrant labor with a special reference to the vulnerable group, that is females and the children. The second day of conference opened with the fourth technical session on the roadmap of service sector. This session was chaired by Dr. Rajesh Khajuria, so the founder director of CKSVIM Business School, where he emphasized on the challenges faced by educational sector in pandemic times. He also categorized the issue into two types: management issues, which are basically about the leadership and the infrastructure, and the issues faced by the students and the teachers, which are generally regarding to the attentions, excellence, and the performance. The keynote resource speaker of the session was the Dr. Christopher Spichers and Dr. Amy Washo from Marywood University, USA. They shared the roadmap of the future for the USA education sector, where there is a lack of uniform vaccination policy by the government. They also pointed out the chaos in the coordination of vaccine in the USA, where they mentioned about the aid funding which has been provided to the students in the university. The fifth technical session on the pandemic and future of education sector was chaired by Professor Lenz Erickson from Austin Community College, Texas, USA. He stated that the goal of the education should be is to acquire the knowledge, to develop the problem solving skill, to learn to communicate with others and synthesize the information and later pass the test. He focused on the method of teaching, which should be student centric rather than teacher centric. The last session of this conference, the conference was the sixth technical session that is on the pandemic and industrial sector. This session was chaired by Dr. Sunil Amrutkar, principal of Dr. M.S. Gosavi College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Nashik. Dr. Sunil Amrutkar sir talked about the challenges faced by the pharmaceutical companies during the pandemic times, such as catering to the huge demand of drug molecules, anti-drugs, masks, sanitizers to the people. He also pointed out the shortage India is facing relating to API, that is active pharmaceutical ingredient, with a huge amount of production we can see in the country of China. However, the government of India has now given a thought of giving a various clearance in order to manufacture API in India. In this session, 3 papers were presented. The first paper was presented by Dr. Bhaskar Biswas from West Bengal. The title of the paper was Impact of COVID-19 on World Economy, a study on selected countries. His paper mostly dealt with how the country is facing the negative growth of GDP. And in order to overcome this negative growth of GDP, the government has to increase the disposable income. The second paper of the session was presented by Dr. Rama Gandotra from Punjab on COVID epidemic and rural development. The paper dealt with the COVID impact on rural areas, and government should give more power to panchayat in order to overcome the COVID situation. And the last paper of the session was presented by Mr. Babasaheb Sargar from Kolhapur. His paper title was on the बायोबबल कोरोना महामारीच्या काळात क्रीडा क्षेत्रासाठी तारक एक अभ्यास. So his paper mainly focused on the importance of biobubble in the fields of sports during pandemic time. Thank you once and all. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you, Smriti ma'am. The report has revealed the brainstorming that has taken place in the last 2 days. Thank you. And I also thank all the rapporteurs who have made the report for the different sections. Thank you, Smriti ma'am. Now we come to the valedictory function, and the final say on the theme of our webinar will be from Dr. Deepak Vaikar, our chief guest for this session. I invite Dr. Vaikar to address the delegates and present his views on the theme of the webinar. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Can you hear me?
Good
Yes, sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you very much, Dr. Suhasini Sanji. I would like to show my few slides. Is that okay, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I will go and now go for just quickly. Can you see my slides now?
Yeah.
Okay, because first of all, I'm very, very thankful for your kind invitation. And when Professor Kalurkarji and Principal Suhasini Sanji invited me for this very interesting conference, I do not know how to respond, because I looked at now the way you have got the galaxy of speakers, distinguished speakers are there, and therefore when you say COVID-19 future roadmap, okay, I was just wondering what I can share with you, because most of the things have been already shared, starting with the Professor Krishna, okay, at the inauguration, and then you mentioned about the distinguished speakers. But still, then, because you have called me to address as the chief guest, मुझे कुछ तो कहना पड़ेगा ही, okay. So भावी सड़क मानचित्र, I think I just was looking at what is the road map, भावी सड़क मानचित्र, okay, that is what I found it, भावी, okay, let us see.
Okay.
So yeah, and I do know, okay, जब आपने, when you call me मुख्य अतिथि, okay, मुख्य chief guest, and I can tell you, during this time, calling somebody to your home is very, very risky. But I think that you have taken that risk because Singapore is less affected by COVID-19. It looks like that. Okay. Otherwise, I know it would have been very, very challenging. But yes, Singapore has less number of cases, but still we have to follow all the protocols. Anit, आप कह रहे हैं रोड मैप वाट दिखाओ, ओके, वाट दिखाओ, रोड मैप. क्वेश्चन arises now, मुख्य अतिथि वाट दिखाएंगे. मैडम बीच बीच में चलेगा ना थोड़ी हिंदी?
हाँ, yeah, okay, it's all right.
एंड या वाट लगाएंगे, ये भी हो सकता है. हाँ, सवाल है, आपने बुलाया है ऐसी वक्त. I know very challenging time and most of things are covered. Then I was just reading and when I was listening to Professor Smith's report, and when you also in the introductory remarks mentioned how everybody has contributed almost all sectors. मेरे लिए कुछ रखा ही नहीं, ऐसा हो गया है क्या? What I should say now? सवाल ये होता है, लेकिन अब मौका दिया है तो छोड़ूंगा नहीं, ओके, क्योंकि आपने बुलाया अतिथि देवो भव. तो मुझे पूरी पूरी उम्मीद है, आशा है कि आप जो भी मैं कहूँगा उसके लिए थोड़ा मुझे मौका देंगे.
जरूर.
या क्योंकि आप हमारी परंपरा वैसी है. ओके, सो I take the blessing. I know blessing of the goddess Saraswati. Om Saraswati Namastubyam Varde Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Okay, her blessings are very important for us, and I'm sure it has been there. That is why your conference has been so successful. And somehow I got the link later on. Otherwise, I would have joined and listened to those experts, listen to others. But that's okay. Sometimes it is good also that I do not know what happened, okay, and then I start saying whatever I want to say. So I'm going to share with you based on my personal study, research, interaction, observation, okay, because I could not join all the sessions, so there is a possibility some of the things could be overlapping. And as a मुख्य अतिथि हो तो मुझे मौका मिलना ही चाहिए, कोई हर्ज नहीं. हाँ, कुछ कहूँगा कुछ अलग से के. So COVID-19, I don't have to say much about it. All of us know about future roadmap, okay, transition strategy. Because when you have got future roadmap, most important part is from now here to somewhere there, how you are going to achieve that. That is where you need a very strong transition strategies. If you don't have that one, you'll be only looking at when it will arrive. When it will arrive. Challenges, opportunities, summary and conclude. Very quickly, all of us know that this COVID-19 has made our world upside down. We like it or not, massive disruption. And Professor Kallurkar will agree with me on this one. And you said for designing, drafting future roadmap, I'm sure all experts, as you mentioned, over the 2 days must have dealt with the root causes. What has happened? Root causes, most important. And providing certain solutions and roadmap. आपको तो पहले यह बूढ़ों पर, बाद में नौजवानों पर और फिर बच्चों पर हमला करता है. So I'm sure all your experts must address various things about this. और वैद्य और वैज्ञानिकों का कहना है, okay, clinicians, doctors, scientists, they have to say that जिनके फेफड़े कमजोर है, okay, whose lungs are not that strong. One, जिनके खून में चीनी बहुत ज्यादा है, okay, चीनी ज्यादा है, बहुत ज्यादा है. और जिनका दिल काम चोर है, कुछ बोलेंगे कमजोर, काम चोर, दिल काम नहीं कर रहा है, उनके लिए ये विषाणु बहुत ही खतरनाक है. I'm sure all of you must have. This is what I'm just summarizing in this 4 lines that okay, not mine, okay, all of them are saying it. So जिनके फेफड़े कमजोर है, जिनके खून में चीनी बहुत ज्यादा है, जिनका दिल कमजोर है, उनके लिए ये विषाणु बहुत ही खतरनाक है. So obviously if you are looking for the roadmap, we have to address that. यहाँ पे I would have played this one, but because of time limitation, आपको पता है रोड मैप मीन्स कौन बोलेगा कि कोई लौटा दे मेरे बीते हुए दिन. I know, okay, all of you must have heard this wonderful song by Kishore Kumar several years back, okay. बीते हुए दिन हो मेरे, नाउ जो भी कहना है, okay, कोई लौटा दे मेरे बीते हुए. I think that is what everyone is thinking about. We want to go back to the old nice days. Though we are calling it COVID-19, post-pandemic, but we want to go back to old one. If that is the case, how we want to go back there? Will you be able to go back? Everybody's talking about business as usual, okay? And I remember, ma'am, if you can recall, almost 1 year, more than 1 year back, in the February 2020, I was at your campus there. Wonderful.
Yes.
Yeah, last year. And incidentally, at that time also, you invited me as a chief guest for valedictory function. And I recall those very cherished memories. I had interaction with your team and students and faculty member. Wonderful, few days only, 2 days only. And I was almost thinking that, okay, as per my interaction with the Dr. Gosai Sirji, that I will now shift to Nasik. The way he explained the wonderful things you are doing, I say, okay, I will come and join there. Okay, but नियति को कुछ और ही मंजूर था. Okay. मैं तो चाहता था कि नासिक पहुंचूं त्र्यंबकेश्वर के पास, लेकिन नियति को कुछ और ही था. तो जैसे मैंने कहा, वैज्ञानिकों ने कहा है कि जिनके फेफड़े कमजोर है उन पे ये पहला हमला करता है. तो हमको इस पर सोचना चाहिए. We will have to think about it. What is it? I'm sure we have heard about from pharmacists and experts, and I got clinical scientists. All of them must have been mentioning about it. Okay, but why it was happening? हमारे फेफड़े कमजोर क्यों हो गए? Have you thought about that? Okay, हमारे फेफड़े कमजोर क्यों हो गए? So, if you like or not, words this is not my, okay, this is mine one, this is my own one, so not my own one, okay. Words, okay, research firm Verasic Maplecroft on 14th May, just a week back, okay, release report. And according to them, out of 100 most vulnerable cities, 99 are in Asia. And of that, those 37 are in China and 43 are in India. So मेरे प्यारे प्यारे प्राध्यापकों, मेरे प्यारे प्यारे के विद्यार्थियों, परीक्षार्थियों, delegates, अगर हमारे check your air index कहाँ है, where is it? And if we are allowing that, it means we are not taking care of our own health. So what should be, I said, when they say future roadmap, I think first thing we have to attack this. How we overcome this? How we make our air quality in each and every city and town, everywhere, okay, comes in the moderate to good range, preferably good range. What can be done to get that? Because if you don't do that, then our फेफड़े will be still कमजोर रहेंगे. Then we will have to face this problem again. Second part comes, obviously, we want to have tandurusti. We need a clean water, and we do know that at present we have to take the water bottle, okay, water bottle, and clean food, clean, hygienic, healthy food. Now, if you like it or not, this pandemic has brought back to our basic necessity to the questionable amount. हम सांस के लिए तरस रहे हैं, प्राणवायु के लिए तरस रहे हैं, अच्छे पानी के लिए तरस रहे हैं, अच्छे हमारा खुराक के लिए. That is what. If we have this one, definitely we will be healthy and we'll be able to do something about it. So the basic things we have to still address. We are in 21st century, but still we had to address our basic needs globally. It is not only okay. So whether it comes to your campus, home, society, okay, very well, sanitation, everywhere, we have to take action now. Because if you don't take action, this ये राक्षस जाने वाला नहीं है, खतरनाक राक्षस है ये. और इस राक्षस को हमको अगर भगाना है, हटाना है, यहाँ से मारना है, तो हमारे पहले हमको सशक्त बनना है, स्वस्थ बनना है और स्वच्छता भरना है. स्वच्छ भारत अभियान तो ही है. स्वच्छ भारत के अभियान के साथ स्वस्थ भारत, सशक्त भारत जरूरी है, बस, क्योंकि नहीं तो ये हमको नहीं छोड़ेगा. And this has given rise to what is known as the niqab, the mask. Yes, this is one of the things we have to accept it. It's good, very beautiful designs. Everybody is using it now. We have to wear this mask, but this one is not. No, they say this one is no more that effective. We need now better masks. That is where we, the scientists, technologists, pharmacists, and everybody has to come together and make a stronger mask, because otherwise we will have challenge. Better masks. We may have to use more technology, because now we know if the अगर हवा दूषित है and हमको जरा ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, तो हमारे पास अभी now we will be needing something like that. Is one. So the mask, the story company, the movie of the mask is going to continue. We have to work on it. Okay, don't get attracted by this guy. No, definitely not. And जैसा कहा कि air purifiers, oxygens. Now technology is there. Till the time this is a transition period. Okay, ideally we want to do something wherein our air in the cities, villages, and towns is as good as possible. But till that time, that's why we need a transition strategy. That is why air purifier. Okay, there are equipments available. Those who can afford, they can do it. Those who cannot afford, they can use a natural way to purify air in your homes. And all of you know this very powerful oxygen cylinder. I think you know that oxygen cylinder. Now, I know 30 years back, 35 years back, we may not have thought about having water bottle to carry everywhere. Now we carry that water bottle. We carry water bottle everywhere. Now time will be coming. We have to carry oxygen cylinders. Okay. I know when we used to visit, ma'am, your conference, we used to get nice water bottle everywhere. And now in future, if we come, then you have to give us ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर. आपके लिए ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर रखा हुआ है, जब भी लगेगा सांस लीजिए और बातें कीजिए. Okay, yeah, this is those who want to do future. Okay, all this one can be for our entrepreneurs, technologists, scientists. We have to commit and make it so portable so that anybody needs that one. We have to, so nobody should die without the oxygen, something like that. This is where the future roadmap I would like to see. I do not have capability, I don't say, but I can guide. Okay, I can work with and work on those projects. That is what as engineering graduates we can see. And Professor Kallukar and his team is also there. We will work with them also. So this is the first thing. First, we have to address it. We like it or not. If any of your papers, any of your policies, any of your roadmap does not address this one, it has no value. Whatever it might look like 2030, 2030, but no value. Because would you like to go back to the old, same normal, polluted normal? Do you want to continue with this? If you feel that that is the way we want it, then get ready to face corona after corona's attack. That ये राक्षस फिर आपको छोड़ेगा नहीं. बार बार आके उड़ाएगा. Burning of your garbage. This is, do you want to go back to this old normal? That question all of us have to ask, and now we have to start taking action now, not tomorrow. Action has to be now, and therefore I'm very, very thankful to you, ma'am, that you have organized this conference so that you can bring all the experts and share those views. All of them now make them as a actionable atoms. That too, right from today, not tomorrow. Okay, this is the one part definitely I think, because we were already in disruptions. All of us know VUCA we were talking about. We were in climate change is one of the another issues. Then we also know, okay, I think last year, 2 years back, when I was visiting India, this was the one, and I wrote this one. Ab ke baras jab barasta hai pani, taala ban jati hai rastani. We have to think about it. Do you want to go back to the same old normal like this one? Our future roadmap has to include this one. Otherwise, do we want to be like this? Guzzlers want to follow that American luxurious lifestyle. और वहां के सुन से फिर यहाँ लगाने के. Do you want to do that? Because all of us know what is happening. More than 7 billion, rising population, our addiction to oil, conflict happening. You know, also we see it, conflict happening. And then all our leaders and rich people, they want very luxurious lifestyle which deprives others. We have, I'm not saying have a nice, clean and safe and healthy lifestyle. I am for that. Yes, madam has mentioned, some are thinking optimistic, some are thinking pessimistic. Okay, and then I remember this one somewhere long back. I think many of them have been saying, how do you think your glass? Is glass your half full or is it half empty? प्याला भरा है आधा या प्याला है आधा है वो खाली. प्याला भरा है आधा या आधा है वो खाली. And I know all of you want to say that being this very optimistic, मुझे तो प्याला पूरा ही भरा नजर आता है, आधा पानी से और आधा हवा से. I think this debate about optimism versus pessimism is going to continue forever. And if you ask me, then I reflected on it, and around 2013, 2014, the line came to my mind. Okay, whatever I just revealed, they comes to mind. They came say, okay, प्याला भरा है आधा या आधा है वो खाली. पहले को कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. काम पर निर्भर है. काम पर निर्भर है, निकलेगा दिवाला या मनाओगे दिवाली. Okay, it doesn't matter. I think if you are very optimistic, we say I want all members of my team. That is what board of, okay, most of the boards, top people say, top boards, top management people, I want all optimistic people in my team. Anybody thinking negative, go out of my board or go out of this room. They don't understand the basic philosophy of this one. Being optimist doesn't just help. मैं बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हूँ, सवेरे उठता हूँ, अच्छा नाश्ता करता हूँ, खाना करता हूँ, फिर सो जाता हूँ, बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, सपने देखता हूँ, अच्छे सपने देखता हूँ, मैं बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हूँ. फिर शाम को थोड़ा घूम के जाता हूँ, मेरे दोस्तों से बातें भी करता हूँ, फिल्म देखता करता हूँ, फिर अच्छा खाना खाता हूँ, सो जाता हूँ, बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हूँ मैं. कुछ फायदा नहीं ऐसे ऑप्टिमिस्ट का. उससे तो बेहतर है वो आपको सवाल करे आपके हर चीज पे. पेसिमिस्ट बेहतर है उससे कि आपको टोके हर वक्त, ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो, इससे क्या नुकसान होगा. अगर वो नहीं बताएगा, हम सब लोग कुएं में जाने के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं. And that is why you see most of those companies who have got bankrupt because of this. So it doesn't matter whether you are optimist or pessimist, what action you take. And as I mentioned to you, that all of us are karma yogi, pradhyapak, delegates, researchers, students, okay, engineers, managers, karma yogi. So if you take action, then it's a difference. So these are the 3 lines I just added, then it is powerful. Otherwise, oh, that is a useless saying. Okay. And I know, I just quickly, because if you want a clean air in the cities, most of them are now giving you solutions. We should go for electric transportation. You must have heard about it. Okay, roadmap, correct? रास्ते पे electric car लाइए बोलता है. Electric car everywhere, electric car, जिससे pollution कम होगा cities में. Okay, इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रेन, इलेक्ट्रिक मेट्रो, मेट्रो सबकी प्यारी है, मेट्रो चाहिए हमको, मेट्रो चाहिए, मेट्रो चाहिए, मेट्रो चाहिए, मेट्रो किधर है, जिसके लिए हम जरूरत पड़े कि रातों रात पेड़ काट देंगे, क्योंकि हमको मेट्रो चाहिए, मेट्रो चाहिए। फर्क नहीं पड़ता। Okay, Singapore has a medicine every 8 March. They say now from 2025, Singapore will not allow diesel cars, taxis in Singapore. India has also made 2040. Okay, 2040, 2050, they say will not allow diesel cars, petrol cars on the roads. But till that time, जो लिए है, they have to run. Okay, that is one. And there are many countries they are saying 2050 we will do it. Okay, कोई हर्ज नहीं. Anyway, 2040, 2050, these policy makers, leaders, they won't be there. They know it. So, बनाने क्या फर्क पड़ता है? कर दिया. But I think it will be very challenging. I know 2050 Singapore has taken just 4 years now from now. No new diesel car taxis. That is the roadmap given. Obviously, for that purpose. Now, how do you power this one? If you want electric, one simple electric vehicle, you need power plant. Electricity चाहिए. Without electricity, you can't do. You are talking about online, digital education. Electricity चाहिए. आपके पास अच्छे हॉस्पिटल ये चाहिए. 24 घंटा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए. आपको सब ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है, अच्छी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ट्रेन के लिए चाहिए या एनर्जी चाहिए. How you get it? Question is that. Are you going to get by polluted one? Because आप क्या करेंगे? Pollution will be just shifting. You're shifting pollution from one place to another one. You are not solving the problem. That is not the way to solve the problem. इसको इधर से मेरे घर से निकालो और किसी और के घर में कूड़ा डाल दो, बस हो गया, मेरा घर साफ हो गया. मेरे कॉलेज से निकालो, किसी और शहर से निकालो, कहीं गांव में डाल दो, हमारा शहर स्वच्छ हो गया, मेरा कॉलोनी स्वच्छ हो गया. बाकी बाजू उसके वॉल के बाजू में डाल दो सब कुछ, दीवार के बाजू. Now, if you don't do this, you don't use the technology to take care of it, I can tell you, this pollution will come back to the city. It has come back. It will continue to come back. Okay. This air pollution travels. Okay. It doesn't look at the boundary. आपके immigration officer कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. आपके custom वाले भी कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. It can travel from one place. That is what is happening. Yes, in Singapore also we face it. Every year from Indonesia, pollution comes. We have to face few weeks. So unless we go for technology, simple choice. धुएं वाले चाहिए या स्वच्छ चाहिए electricity. Simple choice. A or B. You put in chat box A or B. Simple choice. Do you want to transport coal all the way from Jharkhand to Kerala to generate electricity? Or do you want to use this one? You decide. Okay, A or B. Very simple. Now this is what roadmap. ये रास्ता चाहिए. This is the roadmap you want. A polluting one or a clean one. Rasta, जब रास्ते बांध रहे. Okay, highways you are making. I know you. Now we are talking about highways also. Highways. What type of highways we need it? कैसा चाहिए? Yes, कचरा जलाना है, खेतों में भी जलाना है. Waste, burn waste, or generate electricity from the waste, energy from the waste. Clean energy, green economy. Simple choice. A or B. कौन सा रोड मैप चाहिए? रास्ता बाएं लेना है या दाएं लेना है? Simple. I'm going to go very quickly. Do you want a green economy or black economy, brown economy? कैसी चाहिए आपको? Circular economy. Okay. पेड़ को काटना है या पेड़ को लगाना है? आपको तैयार करना है, डिसाइड करना है. फैसला आपके ऊपर है. Whatever waste you want to reuse, recycle, reduce, or throw and burn. फैसला आपका है. That is what is the roadmap you want it. Because currently we are in, they call linear economy. ले मजा करो और फेंक दो. खाओ पियो ऐश करो. खाओ पियो ऐश करो. ले इस्तेमाल करो, फेंक दो. About the use, about the people also do about the people also. They take them, use them and throw them. That is what most of the companies were doing last 1.5 years. काम हो गया, अपना we can't hold you back. Throw them out because I can't survive. But now they are talking circular economy. Make use recycle, circular economy, which was there in our ancient part. Okay, if you look at our history, Indian history, हिंदुस्तान में था ये सब, भारत में था ये सब, निसर्ग के साथ थे हम, सब कुछ इस्तेमाल होता था, वेस्ट कम से कम. So obviously we want low waste, but now they are talking about zero waste. I'm sure somebody must have presented paper on this, ma'am. Zero waste. That is the roadmap we need it. We like it or not. Then and then we'll be able to survive. हमें इस राक्षस को हटाना है. Okay, इससे युद्ध जंग करनी है इसके साथ. ऐसा वैसा नहीं. And that is why all of us know that what type of development we should aspire to. हमें कैसा विकास चाहिए? विकास सबको चाहिए, कैसा, लेकिन कैसा विकास चाहिए ये महत्व. झक्कास विकास चाहिए. ओके, मेरे प्यारे प्यारे प्राध्यापकों, परीक्षार्थी हो, संशोधकों, कैसा विकास चाहिए हमें? झक्कास विकास या भक्कास विकास? विकास चाहिए ना, विकास. कैसा चाहिए विकास? झक्कास या भक्कास? रोड मैप सिंपल, बाय या दाएं. आप आओगे मोड़ पे, इफ यू आर टेकन लेफ्ट टर्न, झक्कास विकास होगा. जैसे मैं बता रहा हूं, स्वच्छ भारत, स्वस्थ भारत, सशक्त भारत, समृद्ध भारत, श्रेष्ठ भारत. नहीं तो हम दाहिने की तरफ मुड़ेंगे, भकास विकास, उजड़ा भारत, ओके, गरीब भारत, ओके, हर समस्या पे पिछड़ता भारत, डरता भारत. सिंपल रोड मैप, झक्कास इधर, भकास इधर. चॉइस इज योर्स. आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू कैन हैव अ मेट्रो, बट अगर आप पेड़ काट कर मेट्रो बनाओगे तो भकास की तरफ ही जाओगे. And yes, I am not saying something new. This is the sustainable development definition is given by United Nations that meets the needs of the present without compromising ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Yes, that is what they have said to us. Okay. What I have done is I looked at this definition again. I reflected on it. I said something is missing. This is United Nations Sustainable Goals. All of you know about it. I don't have to tell you about it. There are 17 of them. They can be still implemented. If you implement that, it will be good in a way. What I have done is I added only two words, not greed, not greed. Same definition, थोड़ा बदल दिया. Instead of needs, not meets the needs, but not greed. Greed. Instead of needs, not greed. Because if we are going for meeting the needs, we are going for झकास विकास. If we are going for the greed, okay, दिखाने के लिए हवा में मैं कैसे उड़ता हूँ, मेरे पास कितने बड़े बड़े प्राइवेट जेट है, मैं कैसा उड़ता हूँ जब, ओके, बड़ी बड़ी कार है, बड़ी बड़े बंगला है, गाड़ी है, सब कुछ है, हाँ, बैंक बैलेंस है, बड़ा बड़ा है, तुम्हारे पास का है? हाँ, मेरे पास ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर है. वैसी बात आएगी. Okay, so I just added two words, same definition which has been there since last several years, and then I looked at it just to add to same. All of you, you are researchers, you can always think about it, ask questions on fundamental, bring in something which will change it. And if you add this one, this same definition becomes very powerful. Then we talk about झकास विकास, because all these are there. I'm not going to repeat. So we dealt with the फेफड़े के लिए क्या करना है. वैद्य वैज्ञानिकों का कहना है, वैद्य वैज्ञानिकों का कहना है, जिनके खून में चीनी बहुत ज्यादा है, उस पर भी ये राक्षस अच्छा वार करता है. जिनके खून में चीनी बहुत ज्यादा है, फिर क्या करना चाहिए हमको? क्योंकि हमें तो पता है गन्ना है तो चीनी आएगी, गन्ना है तो चीनी है, चीनी चाहिए तो गन्ना है, यहाँ भी लगेगा. चीनी है, हाँ, गन्ना से चीनी है. हम सबको तो पता है सब जगह कुछ मीठा हो जाए. मुझे भी मीठा बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन अब मेरी बीवी मुझे डांटती रहती है, कितना क्यों खाते हो. तो बीच बीच में खा लेता हूँ, अभी फिर भी कम कर रहा हूँ, बहुत कम कर रहा हूँ। ओके, तो गन्ना है तो चीनी है ना, हमें सवाल हमारे पास ये है कि हम हर इसमें कुछ मीठा हो जाए। हाँ, कुछ हम कुछ बोलते हैं लेकिन खाते हैं बहुत कुछ, कुछ नहीं बहुत कुछ मीठा हो जाता है, कुछ नहीं बहुत कुछ मीठा मीठा हो जाए, कुछ भी हो हमारे यहाँ मीठा। चलो हो गया। अब ये कॉन्फ्रेंस बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो जाए, चलो पेड़े बांटा, चलो बांटा पेड़े खा रहे, चलो जोरों से खाते हैं, चलो आज जाते हैं कहीं पे अच्छा मिठाई खाते हैं। क्योंकि दिस इज व्हाट causing a diabetic tsunami, which is not happening now, it has been happening for last decade or so, and all of us know that China and India are the world's capitals of diabetics. Okay, यहाँ पे चीनी हिंदी भाई भाई यहाँ जरूर है, चीनी हिंदी भाई भाई यहाँ पे है, बहुत सारे मधुमेह वाले हैं, diabetics. And you know, this is the one which is, those are the those who have got this one, they are being heavily affected by the. तो सवाल हमारे पास ये है, सिंपल रोड मैप, गन्ने से चीनी बनानी है, चीनी चाहिए या तेल चाहिए, सिंपल रोड मैप, सिंपल फ्यूचर, चीनी बनानी है या तेल बनाना है, और तेल जब बनेगा तो हमारा is going to reduce our import bill will be sufficient, and this is ethanol compared to the main diesel, it is less polluting, and we can do some more thing, blending and other things we can do it. So that will take us to clean energy and green economic future. तो सवाल आपके ऊपर, आपको ही तय करना है, चीनी चाहिए, तेल चाहिए. Simple roadmap. I'm just going to talk very quickly because now all of us know abundant human energy, waste energy, spiritual energy is there very quickly. Human energy, because all these are there, but without human energy, without education, this will stay in the books. This will stay in the only research paper. This will stay in the journals. This will stay somewhere. People will be looking at it and then पता नहीं क्या करेंगे. Then therefore that is why we need education part, which is very important one now, which has been dealt. I'm not going to repeat. Okay, the question is there. I think Dr. Kalurkar has mentioned digital technology has come. Others professor have mentioned about what is going to be role. I'm going to ask the question, simple question: are colleges, universities becoming outdated, irrelevant in view of advanced technology now? अगर आपको लगता नहीं तो कुछ मत करिए, अभी ऑप्टिमिस्ट होके खाना खाइए, पिए, सोइए, मजा ऐश सो जाइए, कुछ नहीं साहब, एवरीथिंग इज गुड, हमारे यहाँ ये है, हमारे यहाँ वो है, वो कहते रहिए हमारे 10,000 साल ये था, 50,000 साल ये था, बोलते रहिए और सो जाइए. अब क्या है, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. अब क्या है हमारे पास, फर्क नहीं पड़ता हमारे पास 50,000 साल पहले ये था, अब क्या है, क्योंकि हमको अब जीना है, हमें 50,000 साल पहले नहीं जीना है, अब जीना है. Okay, because this has come, and all of you quickly grapple to online remote teaching. I don't have to say, is there. This has become now part and parcel of it. Okay, Remo Fesser, this has given rise to new term. I call it Remo Fesser. All of us are become now Remo Fesser. Okay, Remo Charer, Remo Char. Okay, Remo Professor, Remo Fesser, Remo Char, Remo Char teachers. Okay, yes, if you have got good support, you can do it better. I know some of us have. This young man is still surprised where to find something. Where is it? Something. Okay, I mean, he is not giving up. Okay, even at this age, like me, okay, not giving up. So this remote teaching has given rise to now Remo Fesser. No more professor. Okay, only Remo Fesser remotely. Yes, some of you, like coming from the Google Institute, maybe having fantastic infrastructure. That is where now, where you want to put your infrastructure. अच्छी बिल्डिंग बनाओ या डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा बनाओ. सिंपल रोड मैप, बड़ी बड़ी बंगले, बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंगें, बड़े बड़े क्लासरूम जो अभी एम्प्टी पड़े हुए हैं, बहुत बड़ा ऑडिटोरियम, मस्त ऑडिटोरियम, जो साल में 2 या 3 बार इस्तेमाल होगा, लेकिन चाहिए, क्योंकि मेरे 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 जो प्रतिस्पर्धी है उनके कॉलेज में है, तो मेरे कॉलेज में भी चाहिए। नाइस फैंटास्टिक स्विमिंग पूल, क्योंकि मेरे प्रतिस्पर्धी वाले में है तो मुझे भी चाहिए। व्हाट इज इट यू वांट टू डिसाइड where you want to invest your infrastructure, remote research, okay, digital infrastructure or choice roadmap, simple roadmap, okay, simple roadmap, no. And all of you know that this industry 4.0 has brought in all this technology, 5G, AI, AR, VR, analytics, everything. How you want to utilize it? Question is that where you want to utilize it, how you want to utilize it, okay, simple. So this has given rise to, okay, I call it now RoboFacer. Though you may be thinking you are a RemoFacer, you are talking, most of the online session are like a RoboFacer, one way only, and everybody is muted. Okay, they are, whether we don't know we are listening or not, what they are doing we don't know. They are somebody, hey, I'm on and going all around, okay, in the house, and I'm as a given, because I've been given duty by a principal and I had to do it. So all of us are RoboFacers. बताया गया है कि हमको सब ऑनलाइन करने का ओवरनाइट, ओके, अराउंड 20th of March ओवरनाइट सब बोले चलो ऑनलाइन हो जाए, सब ताला लगा दो ऑनलाइन, हम सब लोग रोब, जो भी मिल रहा है उसको जस्ट बात व्हाट्सएप पे बातें करो, हो गया। रोबोचर, these are the one we are now. We like it or not, we are this now, we are this. And then somebody might say, why not I just get a design it and just ask that RoboFacer to do it. And what they are doing, our LearnoBots, they have got lot of, they have got smartphone, and these students are also LearnoBots. So RoboFacers teaching LearnoBots. हो गया, हमारा तो काम ही नहीं अभी। RoboFacers teaching LearnoBots, technology over tech. I can tell you, coming soon. There will be some of the owners of the colleges, institutes, something will be telling you, now I don't need you. I can program this guy who can teach this student LearnoBots. I don't need you. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is your last paycheck. Do you want that roadmap? Do you want this to continue? This is what coming very soon. It has already come in some places. Some of them are not paying salaries to their professors. They say, okay, record your thing, get this paycheck, go away. We will use your recording. So RoboFacers are already there. It's not coming, they are already there. Students are also, you also don't know whether they are learning or not. Somebody has recorded something, he'll put into their notebook, the mother, father, whoever is helping is good, otherwise not. They are doing whatever they like it. And finally, all boards and governments are very good. No exam, सब लोग पास हो गए, चलो आगे जाओ, हो गया, चलो जो भी होना तो सो हो गया। पढ़ना है पढ़ो, नहीं पढ़ना है मत पढ़ो, ये लो, एक सर्टिफिकेट लो और घर जाओ। This is what. Then what will be then the role of we the professors, we the teachers? क्या करेंगे हम? अब तो गया, चाहते अभी they can just do this one and they can do it in millions. We don't need it for. So professor, teacher क्या करेंगे? क्या करेंगे? हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे। क्या करना है? सवाल ये है। Okay. So पोटेंशियल रोल, ओके, हमारे लिए एक पोटेंशियल रोल है, क्या करना है? पुंगी बजाओ, पुंगी बजाने का, क्योंकि अब तो ये बहुत खतरनाक हो चुके हैं, हमको निकालने वाले हैं, तो हमको उनको पटाना है। स्टूडेंट्स हो, पेरेंट्स हो, ओके, प्रिंसिपल हो, मैनेजमेंट हो, ओनर्स हो, ये जो चेयरमैन है, ट्रस्टीज हो, वो बहुत खतरनाक हो चुके हैं। विद द प्रोफेसर क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमको तो पुंगी बजानी पड़ेगी, उनको संभव पटाना पड़ेगा, पुंगी बजाओ। पर हमारा पहला रोल एज ए प्रोफेसर विल बी पुंगी बजाओ, जहां भी मिलती है बजाओ बजाओ, और बताओ कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारा कर रहे हैं, इतना सारा कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, कि वो लगेगा हाँ अच्छा अच्छा गुड गुड, देयर यू स्टे। अगर मैंने कह सका तो दीपक भाई कर जाओ, तुम्हारी जरूरत नहीं है, तुम तो कुछ नहीं बता रहे, तुम तो बजा ही नहीं रहे, तुमको बजाना आता ही नहीं, तुमको तो बजाना आता ही नहीं। जिनको बजाना नहीं आता वो तो गए, जिनको बजाना आता है अच्छा, ओके, अच्छा बजाने आता, बांसुरी वाह वाह, अलग अलग मधुर सुंदर बनाया आता है, तो ये फिर तो डुलेगा अच्छा, वो मन डोले मेरा तन डोले, तो अच्छा डूबेगा। वाह वाह, बहुत अच्छे है, करिए करिए और करिए। मेरा यूट्यूब है, मेरा इस पर लगा हुआ है, मेरे गूगल पे कर रहा हूँ, मैं गूगल क्लासरूम कर रहा हूँ, वाह 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 वाह, फ्री में कर रहा हूँ, वाह 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 वाह, अच्छा ही है, और करो और करो। ट्रस्टी खुश, मैनेजमेंट खुश, ओके, सरदार खुश हो चुका है। सरदार खुश, फिर तो क्या, the question arises, what role we want to play, okay. So domain knowledge is with us earlier, but most of the domain knowledge nowadays is available on internet, but some of them still we have it. How to transfer everything? Now what we can do, okay, yes, we can transfer domain knowledge to this. What is the routine one? मेरा ओके रोबोफेसर पढ़ाएगा आपको, दीपक वाइकर का रोबोफेसर मैं भेज रहा हूँ आपके क्लासरूम में, वो आके पढ़ाएगा आपको। मैं तो यहाँ ही बैठा हूँ सिंगापुर में, मेरे घर में आराम आई एम वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, आराम करूंगा मैं यहाँ पे। मेरा रोबोफेसर आएगा, आपको पढ़ाएगा, आपके स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ेंगे, जो भी करना है सब करवा दूंगा, क्विज करूंगा, ऑनलाइन जो भी है सब मार्क करूंगा, चैटबॉट करूंगा, उनको चाहिए जो भी ऐसी पुंगी बजाना बजा दूंगा। खुश? I know some of you may not like this avatar. This is our avatar, old avatar. If you don't like it, not to worry. We are calling it Edu Charmer, okay? The word from the Edu Charmer, you know from where it has come. Edu Charmer. We have become Edu Charmer now. अच्छे खुश रखेंगे। क्या चाहिए? हमारा रोबोफेसर 24 घंटा अवेलेबल। दिस रोबोफेसर विल बी अवेलेबल 24 आवर्स। 24 आवर्स। एक बार प्रोग्राम कर दिया, आपको वो रिपीट करेगा, लगाते जाओ, वही पढ़ाएगा। 10 बार भी पूछेंगे वही बताएगा। वो गलत होगा तो भी वो 10 बार गलत बताएगा, क्योंकि मैंने प्रोग्राम कर दिया उसको, फर्क नहीं पड़ता। लेकिन पुंगी अच्छा बताता है तो आपको तो लेना पड़ेगा। Edu Charmer. Those will be Edu Charmers will survive. Those who can't charm, तो गए। Yes, some of you may not like this. Okay, we can give him. Okay, now you will get AR VR. Okay, Professor Kallurkar is very fan of this AR VR. Okay, उनकी मर्जी चले तो पूरा मुंबई के हर कॉलेज में AR VR डाल देंगे। घर बैठे बैठे, फिर पुणे में बैठे बैठे सबका हाल देख सकते हैं। डोमेन नॉलेज, AR VR, learning management system. Yes, we can give him special knowledge because we have special knowledge. And all whatever needed techniques. Now those gadgets, some of them are with us. We can use these gadgets. If you don't like, yes, those gadgets needs to be given. This is where roadmap is. Do you want to give your professor these gadgets? Do you want to invest into this, or do you want to invest in fantastic auditorium or something big statue? You decide. Okay, more analytics, IoT needed, because everything now we need infrastructure to connect. Okay, digital highway, somebody must have mentioned about digital. This is how we can do it. Edu Charmer analytics. Okay, and you must have read from the research also. Now from admission to teaching to grading to AI is infiltrating higher education, already there. Okay, those who want to go to this website, they can give you full. AI is already doing it. Not an issue. Okay, AI is doing it, and then we can now we can do it more. So this is complex network which even AI may not be able to solve it, I can tell you. Now I'm giving you even more. Okay, some of you might question, what about the labs? Yes, we are virtual lab. What we'll do, we will train RoboFacer who will take care of virtual labs. Your machine learning is here. Okay, IoT is here. Learning management system, yes. AR, we already mentioned about it. Obviously AI, we can add AI here. AI, fuzzy logic, neural net is a neural network. I'm showing you one neural network. Okay, you can implement. Cyber security will be very important one now. Okay, 5G coming, that will be useful. Okay, deep learning हो रही है क्या नहीं, क्या मैं हवा पे बात कर रहा हूँ? डीप लर्निंग. ओके, डीप लर्निंग हो रही क्या? नहीं, डीप लर्निंग. ओके, दीपक लक्ष्मण राव वाइकर आपकी तरफ ला रहा हूँ. So this is what the future, even clouds, okay, cloud, you just name it, everything is on this one. This can be implementable. It is implemented model. This will be the future, you like it or not. Potential role for video. If we are in this, as I mentioned, अब आपको हम अगर हमको ये पुंगी बजाना आ गई तो ना ट्रस्टी हमको कुछ कर सकता है, ना मैनेजमेंट कुछ कर सकता है, और ना और कोई कर सकता है, क्योंकि हम तो पुंगी बजाना सीख गए, वो भी हाई टेक्नोलॉजी से. ये चाहिए ए के साथ बजाएंगे, ओके, एनालिटिक्स चाहिए उसके साथ बजाएंगे, बिग डेटा चाहिए उसके साथ बजाएंगे, बिग डेटा चाहिए बजाएंगे. दिस इज द रोल वी हैव टू प्ले, माय डियर प्यारे प्यारे प्राध्यापकों, रिसर्चर्स. यू हैव नो चॉइस नाउ. डीप लर्निंग. ओके, और ये कहाँ से आया? इफ यू लुक एट इट, इट हैज नॉट बीन कम नाउ. ओके, it has been there with us. Only thing is, some of us we have been using it, some of us are not using it. Knowledge versus skill, that is what they are talking about. All the skills I just mentioned, education, unless we do this better way, there will be very challenging task for us. That is why every green quadrant, brahmacharya, bachelor, that is why all of us are, okay, gurukul, we have got brahmacharya. All over the world, they say bachelor of engineering, bachelor of science, bachelor of commerce, bachelor of arts, bachelor of whatever. They have taken from us, but we have forgotten. And obviously, by studying very well, we know Gyani, we go deeper and do study Gyani. No, our professors. And obviously, now industry has come. You want these guys to go to कर्म, डू, इंडस्ट्री में जाओ, इंटर्नशिप करो, उनका काम करो और पोल्यूशन करो, प्रदूषण बढ़ाओ. Do you want that? Or we get the vision, we get the knowledge, we practice it, and we achieve the mastery, and then clearly decide which one we want it, which one we don't want it. जाएगा. That is what clean air आएगा, clean water आएगा, clean खाना आएगा, स्वच्छ ज्ञान भी आएगा. स्वच्छ ज्ञान, दीपक, ज्ञान दीपक. Yes, tamasic. This is where you say, oh, I am very optimistic, but tamasic. Rajasic, yeah, want to take action only. चलो कुछ करो, जो भी करना है करो. Then going deep knowledge, sattvic. So if you infuse knowledge, skill, and ability into this grid, knowledge, skill grid is well known. Okay, everybody is doing it. हमको skills development चाहिए, हमको ये चाहिए, सब चल रहा है. But if you infuse into it ability grid, ability, third dimension, knowledge, skill, ability, then you will guna will come. Guna, three guna, we know it, coming from our Gurukul system. Gurukul systems, okay, master disciple doctrine, which has been there with us, but somehow it has been phased out. We are now trying to bring it. Some places they are trying, but in a very small scale. So if we can bring tamasic, rajasic, sattvic, rajasattvic, we the professors, we the educators, we the teachers, we the planners of the education, think this way, I'm very sure we will achieve much higher one. Okay, so this is what the vision for the reimagining learning and beyond everybody is talking about. I am also sharing with you, because now earlier students used to come from homes to colleges and university. That is already not happening now. Colleges and schools and universities are going to home. We are already doing it now for the last 1.5 years. It is going to continue. Now we have to decide, do you want to continue this way? If you like it or not, we'll have to probably. Yes, national education policy says that we will allow 100 foreign universities, okay, to set up campuses in India. I tell them, change that. They don't need to come to your campuses to set up campuses. They can collaborate with the good colleges and universities, and they can be there itself. Teach online, okay, hybrid model, okay, hybrid, blended hybrid model. So tell all policymakers, No need for them to come here and build another big buildings and pollute and then everything. Okay, no need that one. You be there, even from United States of America, you just deliver it. Gokhale Education Institute will take care of it, how to do it properly. Like this one is needed. Where is the 100 or doesn't matter. They know don't need to come. Same thing from me from Singapore. Don't have to come to now to Mumbai in Borivali to give this keynote. I can come at a convenient time and do it. Share it. This is now possible. And earlier we were a little bit concerned. Last 1.5 years we got the practice about it. Now we are using it, so it can be that. So you don't need 100. Okay. Yes, I think you heard from Professor Krishna, okay, with whom we have been working. We have been creating what is known as Edu Energypreneurs, okay, Edu Energypreneurs with the help of industries, okay, with the help of industries. Interesting part is he has been also got the contract to create solarized crematorium. All of you know what is the problem we are facing now. Okay, solarized crematorium he has created also, and at low cost. Like okay, all practice oriented one. We are doing it. At AG Energy, we'll be very happy to work with anyone. I think now I can come virtually anytime and design the program, work with your program. You like some of our program, you take it. We will deliver it online. Okay, it has become very cost effective. Earlier, you have to take care of airfare, living expenses, other things. They're gone now. All those. I think this another thing has happened because of this is now like this conference. Otherwise, imagine that if Dr. Subhasini Sanchi has to organize this conference in Bolori Gokhale Institute there, you have to call all these professors over there, take care of them. That I know that you have got a very beautiful hotel there. I stayed there, and all every time take them there from airport to the hotel to the campus, and then care of them. Then they go back. It would have been very expensive. But now it is a fraction of the cost. If at all you want to give Guru Dakshina, you give them. Otherwise, some of them will be giving this different part. What you need is Zoom account. You have to pay for it. Some infrastructure, time of your professors. That's it. So cost has dwindled. So we can do it. We can do it. Powerful program. Okay, and they won't be robo facer type. They will be actually what you are seeing now, like this one. Okay. So what is the roadmap from my side? Clean energy, reduce pollution, हवा स्वच्छ होना चाहिए, green economy, all of us have to survive. We need some avocation, we need that, and smart education. If we combine these three, that is the roadmap. I would like to, if it has been covered by others, well and good. Congratulations. If they have not been covered, ma'am, we can do that. I really appreciate your time. So I can share with you. Dr. Gosavi, I remember last time when I visited your campus, mentioned about it. And what you say, yes, ma'am, sir, I say I'm open to come. Even I'm ready to come to Nagpur. But Ishwarachi Krapa, okay. Okay, Ishwarachi Krapa hoil konya rupa nakale kuna swa anubhava bina. Okay, that असे हे माझ्या असं मनात आले. हे नवीन काही नाहीये. जे मनात येतं ते लिहितो मी. मनात जेव्हा whatever I feel something, I just write it. And this has applicable. Yeah. I know in the United States or somewhere in Singapore, somewhere, all of us earlier thinking that we need a fantastic plan. We have to come together, bring the top brains, sit into that boardroom and take into the Taj Mahal, have nice food and sit there for a few days, retreat and come up with a fantastic plan. So that is one of the ways. But whatever plan you make, ultimately, it will depend on ईश्वराची कृपा. आणि त्याची कृपा पाहिजे असेल तर नामस्मरण करावंच लागेल. Okay, whether you like it or not, or whatever, even Einstein has said, all of the scientists have said, you talk to them, okay. So if you want to achieve this one, if you want the peace of mind, whatever it is, magnanimity, and challenge to overcome, because we are facing challenge, we have to overcome it. No choice on that one. We have to overcome it. However, with our healthy mind, body, and spirit, we can do it. And for that purpose, mark दिलेला आहे आपल्याला, साधू संतांनी दिलंय आपल्याकडे. संत प्राचार्य आहेत आज जे चेअर करतायत, ओके, जे त्यांनी दाखवलेला मार्ग दाखवलेला आहे. दे हॅव शोन अस द, ओके. देवी देवतांचे नामस्मरण, आत्मशुद्धीकरण मी लिहिलेलं आहे. I will send it to you, ma'am, later on. Okay, it is a e-book I wrote when I was
Sure, sir.
stranded. I was stranded for 4 months. I went for conference, I think around 12th of March. I think I can tell you, I can recall. On 12th of March, I was supposed to meet Dr. Goswami. I was in Mumbai, but something happened because of timing. He has to go to Nasik. Then I went to Pune. We couldn't meet. I think one of your CEO was trying to connect with me, but I arrived in Mumbai. There was such a problem. I was supposed to go to Mumbai, and I can tell you that there's a completely different story. In spite of all this, I arrived there because I committed to conduct some conferences and webinars there. At that time, faculty development program. I went there, and then I conducted on 13th March my faculty development program. On 14th March, I did it. On 15th March, I went to Aurangabad, did it. Then I went to near Aurangabad. There is a small town called Prabhani. There I went it. I gave a keynote there. I was supposed to go to Hyderabad, Nagpur, and come back to Singapore. But then the great lockdown came in. Yes. ताली बजाते बजाते ताला लग गया, ताला ताला के ताला लग गया, ताला लग गया एकदम. Or then I got stranded because couldn't go anywhere. Luckily, they arranged me to stay somewhere. Then I had to arrange my own one. I went. They transported me to my relative's place. I stayed there. No connectivity. I can tell you that was char mere music hardly. It was all. I thought I can do a lot of things, but I was doing my phone. There was no connectivity. And then my younger brother, who used to tell me, "Don't worry, विश्वास ठेव. तुला पाठवलेलं आहे इथे. तू नामस्मरण कर." जे काय त्यावेळेस ते केलं मी, आणि त्यातून जे काही निघालं ते याच्या मागे. तर देवी देवतांचे नामस्मरण, आत्मशुद्धीकरण. आणि अचानकच असं झालं, जूनमध्ये मी परत आलो. 24-25 जूनला I am back in Singapore. Since then I regrouped everything. Now I can, because from Singapore I have got more resources. It's not that I couldn't do that. I went to India to do the face-to-face programs, which I felt at that time was very powerful. Okay, and it was. We can, all of us believe that face-to-face is still powerful. But now online has become powerful. I can tell you, last few months I learned about it. I learned myself. I added my all program, transfer them into the online now. So Devi Devtanche Namasmaran, Atmashuddhikaran. So this is definitely there. And from my side, Om Purnamadam, Purnamidam, Purnat Purnamushyate, Purnasya, Purnamadaya, Purnameva Vishishtate. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you very much for giving me opportunity to share with you my views. खूप खूप आभार तुमचे.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you had said that we invite you for the valedictory function. Last year also we had invited you for the valedictory function. The reason, sir, is that we keep the best for the last. So that is why you're always invited for the valedictory function. And a very thought-provoking presentation made in a very dramatic way, which I think kept the attention of all the delegates. And though sir's way of presenting was humorous, I don't think we should take his message less seriously because of that. The message, in fact, there were so many points that sir made that I'm still digesting all that sir has said. I'm sure it's the same with all the delegates. But sir went back to the basics of clean health, clean air, clean water, the very reasons why the pandemic has struck. And without tackling that, I don't think we can even talk about the new normal. That I think is sir's message. And of course, as sir kept saying, the roadmap is a matter of choice. A matter of choice that we make in our daily life, recycling, zero waste, minimalism, all of these, I think, will take us out of the situation that we are in. And sir, you began by saying that we don't inviting guests today is dangerous, but sir, unfortunately or fortunately, the only way to invite guests now is virtually. And I'm glad we had that opportunity. At least virtually we could hear you. So I'm really thankful to you for the wonderful presentation, sir. Sir ended with the educational scenario, which initially looked a little bleak to me, sir. But I'm sure we'll overcome that. And the strong spiritual end at the very end of your talk, sir. That I think is what we will all leave with today. Thank you again, sir, for the wonderful session. Now, all